How to turn off haptic feedback in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to turn off haptic feedback in Rainbow Six Mobile, then the first thing to do is to open up the Rainbow Six Mobile app on your device. And once you're inside this main home page, go ahead and look for the gear icon at the top right corner from the home screen. Tap on it, and inside this settings menu, go to accessibility, and under accessibility choose other from the top. Now you'll see touch haptic feedback option. Go ahead and drag it all the way towards the 0 and you'll be able to turn off the haptic feedback. You can turn it back on again whenever you want by dragging the slider if you want to turn it on. So right there you know how you can easily turn off the haptic feedback in Rainbow Six Mobile. You can now go back and play normally. The vibration should now be disabled. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.